Love should be easy.
Hey everybody, I'm George Trombley, and this is Japanese from Zero. And in the next 12 minutes and 37 seconds, we're gonna learn about sa.
Love ain't easy. You taught me this.
All right, everybody, let's go ahead and now look at what is this sa thing. So with sa, we see it in the middle of sentences, and we also see it in the end of sentences. And first thing we can do is just look at some common pairings that we'll see. You'll see, for example, ano sa, or you'll see kono mae sa. And a lot of times it is lengthened. It's not just ano sa, kono mae sa. It's sa. Sometimes you'll see it paired up with a little a after the sa. Kono mae sa. Okay. Then we'll have omae sa. Omae sa. Okay. And you'll notice that ano sa is like, so hey, or kono mae sa. Okay, so like before, it's really one of those setup things that you do. Even in English, we go, okay, so like, remember before? Kono mae sa, it's trying to trigger the memory of the person that you're talking to, right? Or to get their attention. Omae sa. All right, look, you, okay, omae sa. All right, then we've got neko ga sa, so the cat. The other day, now my wife does this one so much that we have a joke, at least I have a joke. It sounds to me like she'll say something with this gasa is an umbrella. An umbrella is a casa, but you might hear like something gasa, and that's some type of umbrella. And this to me always just sounds like when she says something gasa, it's like, what type of umbrella are you talking about? Small joke, not too important. Moving on. All right, so let's just go ahead and see what Jisho.org, one of my favorite dictionaries on the internet, has to say about it. So you look up ano sa, first thing you notice is that there is not an exact entry just for that. You'll see ano ne, and you give this cornucopia, look here, I say, well, I know what, I'll tell you what. Just a minute, hold on. Yeah, I suppose in translation they could all mean that. And you can see down below, we have ano ne, anne, ano sa, and then here we have that long ano sa that we were just talking about. So that's not much help, a little bit help maybe. So maybe we've heard sosa. So, well, if you just look up this word here, you're very confused because it says operation or management. We just got to scroll down a little bit and then we'll find it. Sosa, yes, that's right. Yep, sure thing. So there's a lot of playfulness, I would say, in a sentence that ends in a sa. It's a lot of confidence. It's, yep, that's the way it is. All right, so sa. So wait, you're going to blah, blah, blah? So sa. Yep, that's right. All right, so let's keep going here. And we'll look now at, if I can get things moving properly here. Now let's look at a tweet or two. And, well, actually, we're just going to look at one tweet. And that is going to be right here. All right, so it's weird that you would have sa in a tweet. But remember that people tweet the way that they speak. So Twitter is actually a very viable way to look up Japanese things. So here we have that kono mae that we had before. So kono mae sa. Now that is just a way to get someone's attention. You're getting ready to say more. Always there will be more after someone that has a sa there. Kono mae sa. Okay, so like, before, kono mae sa, yasan to. Now, yasan, we don't know who that is. Maybe the people that are following Ayachi know who that is, but that's someone like Yasuko or Yasue. And a lot of times Japanese will just take the first sound of their name, and then they'll add a san or a chan to it. Now, because she's adding san to it, we can assume that this person is probably above them, not equal to them or below them. If they were friends, if they were really good friends and they were of a similar age or social status, she would have said yachan. Okay, but she didn't. So yasan to omuraisu. So what is this? Konomai, a while back, recently. You'll hear konomai. It means literally this before. It means before right now, but it normally means a little bit back, right? And the sa doesn't change the meaning. It just says, hey, so like a while back, okay, yasan to, with yasan, omuraisu. Omuraisu comes from omuretsu, which means omelet. Raisu meaning rice. It's rice with inside of an omelet, and normally that rice is like flavored with ketchup. That's at least how it is in my family. It's seasoned rice inside an omelet. Omuraisu is a very safe to eat food in Japan with not fish. If you don't like fish, that's, for me, it's safe. Omuraisu wo tabe ni ittaんだけど. Now, even here, she could have said, オムライスを食べに行ったんだけどさ. So like, okay, like, you know, like before, okay, with Yasan. Okay, so I went to go eat rice, omurice with her, and tabe ni iku. If you understand this grammar, it's very powerful. You take the mus off of any verb form. I say taking the mus off is easy because we all learn the mus form, but tabemas, I will eat. Tabe ni iku means to go and eat. You could even say tabe ni kuru, to come and eat. But here she's saying, tabe ni itan da kedo, I went to eat. Now, we've talked about it in a prior video, and I'll try to link it up, that kedo here does not mean but. It is just giving background information. It is setting up the thing that she wants to say here. 今なら1週間毎日オムライスでもいい. So excited about this. Now, 今なら is a weird thing to look at grammatically. It's if now, right? But really it means like, so yeah, like now, like if now were the case, but it doesn't really translate so well in English. Maybe someone watching has a great way to explain imanara, but it really just means, oh man, now imanara, like before it was one thing, but I don't know about before, but now is this. It's like saying but now. 1週間, 1 week, 毎日, every day, オムライスでもいい. Omrice would be good. I could do rice. I could do omrice every day. Okay. てぐらい. Now this てぐらいis kind of powerful. The little て, little tsu plus a て, proceeding, or I'm sorry, coming after a statement means all of this stuff is combined into an object. And what about it? Kurai. So much. Okay. What was it so much? It was so delicious. Oishikata. It was so delicious that, think about the little te there being like a that nowadays I could eat omrice every day in a week. All right. Every day of the week. All right. That is our tweet. Now, excuse me, for some reason I'm running out of voice. Now let's look at 2 YouTube videos that I saw that have saw in them, and it gives you a really nice understanding of what's happening. Here we go. This is a little song that I found. Wait, I gotta figure out how to get to it. Here we go. The name of the song is Obake Nante. Ghosts? Nai no sa. They don't exist. It shows a lot of confidence. It's trying to show a little bit of playfulness. It shows, there's no ghosts. You see how light that feels? There's no ghosts. Obake nante? Oh, ghosts? Uso sa? It's a lie. It's just a lie. Just a lie. Imagine you're doing this hand thing. It's just a lie. Uso sa? Neboketa hito? Neboke. Oh, what's that word? Neboketa. Nebokeru means you wake up and you're still in a daze. You're like, oh, still not there. So neboketa hito is a person that woke up and wasn't quite, their mind wasn't in the right frame. And that person, what did they do? Mi machigaeta. Mi is to see. Machigaeru. You could actually put machigaeru on the end of the stem of a verb and say that you did that particular thing wrong. So mi machigaeta means they're seeing things wrong. They just saw it wrong. Mi machigaeta no sa. Now notice that after the verb, we have no sa. That works too. All right, let's look at another video. 1 second while I go to it. All right, this next one is a little bit rough. I don't know what the heck's happening, and I'll leave the down below. The actual name of the title of the video is exactly what he says. So if you want to follow what he's saying, just look down here. This is some sort of, I have no idea what this. It feels like an old reality TV show, but we're gonna watch it a few times.
お前さ、木村さ、さっき脱ぎ終わった時にさ、なかなか風呂来なかったよな。お前さ、木村さ、さっき脱ぎ終わった時にさ、なかなか風呂来なかったよな。
Now he's speaking really fast, really normal. I mean, it's actually really normal. And he's speaking to friends. So he's speaking to someone that's a friend or he knows who this person is. So you can say omae to people that you know. Yeah, hey, you buddy. Look, buddy. It's like saying buddy, but to a friend, okay? So you can say this. It can be very, very rude if it's someone that you don't know. Now, I thought he was saying Kimura-san, but for some reason it's KMR. It could be maybe this is like an MMA fighter. I have no idea what this is. But he says, omae sa. Okay, look, you. Look, okay, so you, KMR saki. Now, a lot of times Japanese people refer to the person they're talking to with their name. Now, perhaps KMR is this person's name. So it's, hey, you know KMR, you, sakki, just now, nugi owatta toki, when you just took everything off. Nugu means to take your clothing off. I don't know, maybe it was after a fight, I have no idea. But when you finished taking things off, now here's another saw here. Look at that. How many saws can we have? Omae sa, KMR, sakki, nugi owatta toki ni sa. So like, yeah, okay, you. So like when you just took all your stuff off, nakanaka dete konakatta yo na. You didn't come out right away. Maybe he's accusing him of doing something else in the bathroom or wherever it was. Let's listen to it again. And just listen how naturally these saws come out.
さっき脱ぎ終わった時にさ、なかなか風呂来なかったよな。
Now, I understand it's very hard to understand if you're just learning Japanese. It is very mushed up Japanese. Let's listen again, and then we'll slow it down.
お前さ、木村さ、さっき脱ぎ終わった時にさ、なかなか風呂来なかったよな。
Now, there is a way down here to change the speed somewhere. Where is it? Maybe I have to actually be playing. Let's see here. Settings. Here it is. I missed it. Here it is. So let's go ahead and set it to half speed, and then we'll start it over again.
お前さ、
Oh my god.
お前さ、木村さ、さっき脱ぎ終わった時にさ、なかなか風呂来なかったよな。
All right, that actually doesn't help. That doesn't help at all. The slowness didn't seem to help. If you want to learn more Japanese, you can get Japanese from Zero, books 1 through 5 now available on Amazon and at Kinokuniya and Barnes & Noble. More locations opening up soon. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, you guys are still here? You might want to check out this video where I talk about a completely unrelated sa that makes any adjective into an attribute. And also, this video right here seems pretty relevant too, or interesting at least. And also, hey, have you not subscribed yet? Go ahead and subscribe. See you all next time. Bye-bye.